Struggling with stubborn belly fat? Looking for a simple, delicious way to tackle it? We've got the perfect solution, a magical fat-burning drink to help you get a flatter tummy. Join us on this exciting journey as we reveal how easy it is to prepare this powerful potion. Say goodbye to belly bloat and hello to a slimmer, more confident you. Subscribe to Recipes for You for more healthy, fat-burning recipes that make weight loss enjoyable. Let's kick off your transformation with the first recipe and start melting that belly fat. Get ready to lose 7 kilos in just 7 days without a strict diet. Let's dive right into preparing the first fat-burning drink. Start by cutting 2 fresh lemons into thin slices. Lemon is a natural fat burner that helps eliminate accumulated fat from the body. It also helps expel toxins from your stomach and intestines, making you feel lighter and more energized. Lemon boosts the fat burning rate in your body, helping you achieve your goals faster. And it aids in digestion and detoxification too. Next, grab an apple and slice it into small pieces. Apples are great for weight loss as they're low in calories, but high in fiber. They also contain antioxidants that speed up fat burning and help you shed those extra pounds. Now, place those apple slices into a saucepan. Add the lemon slices and a generous ½ liter of water. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon. This spice helps reduce belly fat and speeds up metabolism. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Let it simmer well, allowing all those amazing flavors and fat-burning properties to blend together. Cover the pot and let it sit for an hour to allow the ingredients to infuse fully. After that, strain the mixture and separate the liquid from the solids. Add the juice of ½ a lemon to the filtered liquid for an extra boost of fat-burning power. Drink a cup of this magic potion every morning before breakfast to start your day off right. If you're aiming to lose weight faster, drink 2 cups a day, 1 before breakfast and 1 before dinner. For the best results, continue drinking it every day for at least 15 days, and watch the pounds melt away. You'll see amazing results in just 7 days, with a flatter stomach and a more sculpted body. Keep drinking it daily and stay motivated as your body transforms. Exercise is also recommended to enhance your results even further. Let's move on to our next recipe. For this one, we'll need 2 fresh lemons. Cut them in half and extract the juice. Lemon juice helps speed up the fat-burning process in your body. Keep the juice aside, we'll add it in the second step. Now, cut the lemon peel into small slices and add them to a saucepan. Add 2 sticks of cinnamon, great for reducing obesity risk and boosting fat metabolism. Now, add a tablespoon of coffee. Coffee reduces hunger and cravings, perfect for weight loss. Pour in 2 cups of water and bring it to a boil for 15 minutes. If you're on diabetes medication, skip the cinnamon. Put the saucepan on the stove for 15 minutes. Strain the mixture to remove the solids. Now, add a tablespoon of lemon juice to the filtered liquid, and sweeten with a teaspoon of honey if desired. Drink it every morning before breakfast, and enjoy the benefits of this powerful drink. For the next 7 days, drink it daily and see the results starting to show. You'll lose up to 7 kilograms without a strict diet in just 1 week. Now, let's prepare the third and final recipe. Start with a teaspoon of instant coffee. Add a tablespoon of lemon juice and mix them well. Lemon and coffee are a fantastic combo for boosting fat burning. Add hot water and stir well. If you prefer, add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten this powerful fat burner. Mix everything thoroughly and enjoy your drink first thing in the morning. Stick to this daily for 7 days and watch the transformation unfold. You'll notice a dramatic reduction in belly fat. It's time to embrace a slimmer, healthier version of yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious fat-burning drink recipes. Take charge of your health today, and let's get that belly fat burning.